Germany is getting Arrow 3 anti-ballistic missile defense system. German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius and his Israeli counterpart Yoav Gallant made the announcement at a joint press conference held on September 28. The German government, in response to Russia's attack on Ukraine last year, allocated a special defense fund of 100 billion euros, which will be utilized for this procurement. According to the German Ministry of Defense, or MOD, the Arrow 3 system will be delivered starting in the fourth quarter of 2025, with initial operational capability planned for the fourth quarter of that same year. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Germany's acquiring Arrow 3 air defense system is a decision to watch out for. Let's get into the details. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant signed a letter of commitment in Berlin for the sale of the Arrow 3 long-range anti-ballistic missile system to Germany, the largest single security deal advanced by Israel to date. The deal will be worth $3.5 billion. At a press conference after the signing ceremony, Gallant said, 80 years since World War II, Israel and Germany join hands in building a safer future for both nations. Pistorius stated in the joint press conference that the Arrow system would prepare German air defense for the future, protecting Germany from ballistic missiles. The weapon system, he continued, will be a component of NATO's integrated air and missile defense, providing defense for Germany's neighbors. The German-Israeli agreement was forged in response to the conflict in Ukraine and Germany's subsequent decision to strengthen its air defenses. The German Bundeswehr had reported that the federal government made the decision last autumn to acquire the Israeli Arrow missile defense system, since the threat posed by medium and long-range missiles was growing. According to a recent article by the Bundeswehr, the acquisition of the Arrow missile defense system will provide Germany with a comprehensive 360-degree defense shield and will enable the country to safeguard itself, its citizens, and its critical infrastructure from the menace of long-range missiles. Arrow 3 is the most advanced system of the Arrow family and is designed to take out ballistic missiles, including intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs. AIA, together with Boeing, has been developing Arrow 3 since 2008, with considerable financial and other support from the U.S. government. Arrow 3 entered service in January 2017, and it shot down a Syrian surface-to-air missile about 3 months later. The system has 3 components: sensors, battle management center, and interceptor missile. The main sensor used is the Green Pine family of active electronically scanned array (AESA) radars. The iteration of the radar is reported to have a range of 500 kilometers or 310 miles and is capable of both target detection and continuous tracking. The system is also thought to be connected to American AN/TPY-2 missile defense radar operated in Israel by the U.S. military. Though not certain, space-based infrared system SBIRS early warning satellites also feed the system with real-time information. The Citron Tree Battle Management and Command, Control, Communication, and Intelligence System serve as the control center for data processing, threat assessment, and mission control. The Battle Management System provides early warning, launch point estimation, and prediction of impact points. The interceptor is developed from previous Arrow 2. The Arrow 3 has patented exo-atmospheric interception method, including a 2-stage interceptor. Unlike Arrow 2, it uses a hit-to-kill technology, in which the interceptor carries a kinetic kill vehicle that rams into the target, destroying it in the air. An important aspect is that Arrow 3 can be launched within the approximate zone before it's known where the target missile's heading, and when the target's course is identified correctly, it can be redirected to engage it. It's equipped with a gimbaled seeker and has a thrust vectoring nozzle. As per reports, the interceptor is capable of reaching an altitude of 100 kilometers, or 62 miles. The missile is thought to have a reported range of up to 2,400 kilometers, or 1,500 miles, but the exact details are classified. An Arrow 3 battery is thought to be capable of intercepting a salvo of more than 5 ballistic missiles within 30 seconds. Arrow 3, if deployed, will be the top layer. The mobile and easy-to-transport launcher provides vertical, hot launch capability from sealed canisters with omnidirectional coverage. Each launcher has the capacity to hold 6 canisters. It's reported that some upgrades in Arrow 3 will see it as being able to take on hypersonic threats too. Hypersonic weapons combine the high speed of traditional ballistic missile with the maneuverability of a cruise missile, making them almost unstoppable with the currently available air defense systems. Germany will ultimately field a layered air defense system. Arrow 3, if deployed, will be the top layer. Patriot and Iris-T will cover the medium layer of air defense. Importantly, this initiative could be expanded to add several more nations. Berlin wants to extend this air defense to more significant parts of Europe as it strives to build a German-led Sky Shield air defense layer. Speaking in Prague last year, Chancellor Scholz said, "If we jointly develop an air defense system in Europe, it will not only be more efficient and cost-effective, it would also be a security gain for Europe and an outstanding example of strengthening the European pillar within NATO." At the time, he noted that Poland, the Baltic states, the Czech Republic, and the Scandinavian countries could be other additional countries for integration into the planned layered air defense. It's evident that Germany's decision to acquire Arrow 3 has large ramifications for Europe's security architecture.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.